dahil, first, for our first prize, and pasimula pa lang to, no? So, mahilig ba tayo kumain?
Yeah.
Oh, syempre, kakakain na natin, di ba? Okay, so, kung mahilig tayo kumain, meron tayong 10 Abaca Group gift cards, each worth 1,000 pesos. Ayan, so, I'd just like to emphasize, no, Abaca Group to. So, this is valid for all Abaca Group restaurants. Hindi lang sa bakery. All the other restaurants under the Abaca Group. So, okay, now that we know the first, so we'll be awarding 10 names here, no? So, dahil exclusive to, actually 5 Abaca Group gift card winners. Ayan. So, 5 winners of this very useful, diba? We have lots of branches all over the city. So, ready na po ang ating cutting edge raffle picker. Working committee, we are ready to determine our first winner. At the count of 3, 1, ayan, start na. So, sino po ang leading? Ayan. Parang may umuusad. Congratulations, Jessie Carla Pienza. Please come up here in front to claim your prize. Ayan. To help us award this prize, may I call here in front our Head of Corporate Affairs, Chris Camba, to award Jessie, our first raffle prize winner. Ayan. Dalawa yan para sa kadate mo. Tama ba? Thank you very much, Jessie. Congratulations.